Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Toya. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I will be crocheting some braids over my locks. And the hair I'm using is the African Collection by Sensational. And this is the Samba Twist in 50 inches. So if y'all want to see how I change my hairstyle from this to this, then go ahead and keep watching. Quiet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my hair up in half. Well, put some of my hair up, and then I'm gonna start with the back. So let's get it on and popping. All right. I'm gonna take one loop of hair. It has a loop in the middle that you can hook onto your hair. You're gonna need your crochet hook. You want to take the crochet hook. I'm gonna put it underneath my braid, my locks. Attach the crochet on my hair. Remove the hook. I'm gonna put my hair and the braid through the loop, and you're gonna pull it and tighten. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna start twisting my lock. So I'm gonna take my hair and I'm gonna twist it into the lock, into the braids, and twist. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. You want to make sure you follow the pattern of how the twist is going. So if the twist is going to the right, you're gonna follow your hair that way. And that's how you attach the crochet braids to your hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed up the video, and I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm halfway done. I got my tea here, so I'm gonna be sipping on some tea, some green tea. Depending on how fast you move, this should take maybe about an hour to 2 hours tops. So yeah, just another additional information.
Searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a road. Savannah, I'm coming home.
Okay guys, so just some information for you guys that I didn't mention in the video. At the end, just stay tuned for the giveaway. I also have an extended clip of how I show you how you can achieve this crochet look with cornrow braids. You don't necessarily have to have the individual braids on your hair. You can go ahead and use the traditional method and just crochet the braids onto your cornrows. And also I will have a clip inserted for you guys to see how long the hair is. This hair is 50 inches long, so if you don't like hair that's too long, you can always cut the braids and just braid them in your hair shorter. So just in case you didn't catch it too good in the back, I'm showing you guys up front and closer how you guys can see where I crocheted the hair onto my locks. I first put the crochet hook through my locks, added the braid on there, and I started twisting my lock into the braid.
I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a road. Savannah.
Ooh, ole, ole, see I'm still in my hideaway. Otumbe, fishole, fishole, check out your wale, wade. Me love you very long, long. Pass me a love like a ping pong. 'Cause you ring my bell like a ding dong. Go tell my friends them, go tell my friends them that you would die for me. Go tell my mama, go tell my papa that you would die for me. Girl, you. So long I've been with you, waiting for your love and your body, yo. Come take up the money, yo. Pretty baby, you're my honey, yo. Me love you for a very long time, long time. So now that I'm all done with my installing the braids, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix up my edges. And to use that, I'm using the Creme of Nature. This is the extra hold, and so I'm just gonna use my trusty dandy edges toothbrush or edges brush, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to brush the product onto my hair just so I can get that nice sleek look. Keep in mind guys, I do have locks, so my hair is natural and I didn't retwist it, so my edges isn't as neat as I'd want them to be for this particular hairstyle, but that's okay. I don't really like my hair being too slick because sometimes when your hair is too tight when you're wearing locks, it can cause breakage. So that's fine for me. But if you have loose hair, you can twist your hair and use some gel at the edges and just go ahead and apply the crochet braids on top, and it will look just as fine or even better. This braid comes with 20 individual strands, so you can get 20 braids out of one pack. So that way that will help you determine how many single braids you want to part your hair in. Now in terms of weight, it depends on how many packs of hair you use. It will be more heavier. So if you part your hair and you braid bigger braids, you'd have probably maybe 60 braids in your hair. After I've applied my gel, I went and I put on a stocking cap. Now with this gel, it does have some kind of moisturizer in there, and sometimes it would get kind of runny and I don't want my face to look oily. So I just put this on there to try to help combat that oil and to set my edges in place. And there you go, nice, neat, and your hair will last like this all day. Also, you guys, you know, there's another thing with this braids. You don't necessarily have to twist it. You don't have to crochet it in your hair like this. You can also unravel the twist and crochet it in your hair like a full bulk hair. I will attach a photo or a couple photos of how I've done that hairstyle before, and it looked so natural. And I did have locks at that time. This hair is very versatile, so I would definitely recommend you guys buying this braids. It's very inexpensive. It's less than $5 a pack. So, you know, if you guys want to achieve this, it's gonna be super affordable and very inexpensive. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and check out the link down below where you can purchase this hair. This is the length of the hair. This is where it reaches me in the front, right at my hip, and in the back it reaches me right at my tailbone. I'm gonna be giving away 4 packs of this here. 3 packs should be more than enough, but I just decided to go ahead and give away another pack in there. And so I'm giving away 4 packs of the African Samba twist. And keep in mind, this is 50 inches long. So I'm giving away 1 pack of number 4 and 3 packs of number 1. For you to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. That is the end of this video. I sure hope that you learned something from it. I sure hope that you like this video. Go ahead and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. My most previous uploads will be right here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I'm going to show you how you can crochet the braids onto cornrows, and I want you to see how it will look. So that's it. That's all you need to do. So for instructions, what you're gonna do, it's super easy. You're gonna take your latch hook, open it up, slide it through the braid, take the loop of the hair, open it, it does have a loop. You add that loop onto the crochet hook, close the latch, and pull it through. Now you will have 2 parts of the hair. You're going to take the end of the braid and pull it through the loop and just pull until it's tightened. And that is how you crochet braids onto cornrows. The only difference with this is, well, these cornrows aren't braided down tightly, but the difference with the single crochet braids and the cornrow crochet braids, you can see the loops. It's very visible. So I didn't want that look, so I decided to go ahead and do the single crochet, the individual crochet method. But if you have your hair up in a ponytail, it wouldn't really look that visible. So I would definitely advise that if you want to get this hairstyle done, purchase hair that is going to be very similar to your hair color, and you can achieve this look. So here you go. That's the clip that I had promised. You guys will see how to achieve this style if you use the cornrow method.